Hey guys, so I just found a really simple way that you can generate thousands, even millions of views for your TikTok or Shorts videos. And first of all, I will show you full proof that I can actually create viral videos. So first of all, here is my TikTok account. Here you can see I have videos with 100,000 views, 68,000 views, 438,000 views, 100,000 views, 200,000 views. So 468,000 views. So I have multiple videos with hundreds of thousands of views. And one of the ideas that I saw somewhere on TikTok, but it is not really used, is this. Here is the video. So that's basically a security footage camera. And here you can see a pig is jumping on a trampoline and basically starting to jump, which is fake. But obviously the security cameras are low resolution, low quality, and as we all know, AI videos right now are low quality. I mean, not low quality, but quite low, so people can figure out if it's real or not real. But if you combine the security camera with the VEO3 AI videos, most people or many people, if you can generate a video really high quality and good, many people will not even realize that that is fake. And how you can do it is really easy. First of all, what I did is go on Midjourney. Midjourney is the best tool for you to create hyper realistic images. So here is the prompt. So let's make it one more time. Here basically I'm using the same prompt, which you can read right here. Here are all of my settings, 16:9 ratio. If you want to copy paste, you can do it. Just check all the aesthetics, all the settings. So then you press this submit and it will be starting to create an image. But here you see I have already created some basically security camera images that look ultra realistic. And here is the basically the image that I created for my for this video. I think this could go semi-viral. Let's hope people actually catch on this. But yeah, what you have to do is basically create an image. So let's create a new image. So for example, here is a homeless man in India streets. What I will create, and I already created some versions. So here is for example, homeless person sitting on a street and dog approaches him. Here is the pig video. So here is the first video, which I thought was quite unrealistic, as you can see. But this second one that I uploaded is quite nice. Only thing is that pig actually came out from the from this side, basically showed up from here. You can see basically appeared. So what I will create: security camera footage, static camera movement, night vision. Suddenly a brown puma slowly comes out from below and slowly approaches the homeless guy sitting. So I'll be using this image and puma. Hopefully it comes from below right here. So let's submit the prompt. I will create 2 fast videos, only 20 credits per video. So that's quite cheap. Right now I have around 1,700 videos, so I can make up to 100 videos. I think 100 videos or less than that. So yeah, I just submit it and let's see if the VEO3 will get the job done. If the video will be good, I will actually post it on my TikTok because I feel like these videos that are quite realistic and people cannot figure out if they are real and there is something funny going on or something dramatic. These basically could get hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of views. And again, I have videos with 70,000, 100,000, 200, even 400,000 views. Here you can see. And these are just funny videos with grandmas running down with scooters and falling down. So people are laughing and watching these repeatedly. That's why these are getting so much views. So the flow VEO3 is already at 50%. It basically takes you a few minutes after you start. That's how long it takes to basically generate a video. So both of the videos have been generated. Let's compare which one looks better. This first is quite insane because it actually did everything that I asked. Maybe the Puma is not as realistic, but let's see the second video. So I think this first one is much better because the guy doesn't realize that the Puma is behind him. So this could create a lot of comments in the TikTok comment section. But overall, the best part is that you can actually use VEO2 for these ones because you don't need sound for security footage camera, because usually there are no sound for these cameras. Also, you can ask for the VEO3 to create a time ticking, basically a clock right here in the right top corner, so the footage actually looks more realistic. You can add elements, you can draw some doodles on the images. So for example, you can basically draw right here an arrow where the animal or something else can basically appear from. That's another feature that VEO3 allows you. You can basically do anything, but overall, there are some videos, basically security footage videos that are fake, that have generated millions of views already. I have seen them on TikTok, but this is a really unused way to get views if you want to get get a lot of views on TikTok. After that, you can sell some courses that you can get, and you have a proof that you can get viral. You can get a viral videos. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or any ideas or any prompts that I could make for fun in my next videos, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.